Hi everyone, please join me. In this video you will see how to crochet cute and simple flower. For work I will use 4.5mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. In this video I will use wool yarn. In your case it could be cotton yarn or variegated yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring, make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch by making a slip stitch. My foundation ring is ready. It is going to be one round. Let's crochet the first petal. Make a chain, then single crochet, then single crochet, one more, and let's make the first petal. Chain of 7 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Continue. Then chain of 2, 1, 2. Make 15 double crochet, not finish. Yarn over the hook. I skip 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make the first double crochet, not finish. Then I will work around the chain with next stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Here what I have at this point, I'm done 14 double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over the hook and pull through all loops on the hook. Make a chain and pull it. Insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. So it is very interesting and simple at the same time. Petal is ready. This is the first one. Continue. Make single crochet. Then single crochet more. Let's crochet the next petal. Let's crochet the next petal. Then you should work with 4 petals. In total it should be 6 of them. It is very beautiful and made in 3D style. Chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Chain of 2. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch. Away from the hook, make double crochet, not finish. 1. Then work around the chain. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15. I'm done 15 double crochet knot finish. Then yarn over the hook, pull through all loops on the hook, make a chain, pull it, insert the hook into 2 loops, make a slip stitch. The second petal is ready. I am done 2 petals in this flower. In total it should be 6 of them. You should crochet 4 more by yourself. This is the back side of the work, and this is front. Continue. Make single crochet, then single crochet more, chain of 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, chain of 2, and double crochet into the third chain stitch away from the hook not finish. Let's stop and look. In total it should be 6 of them. Once I have done all 6 petals, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch, pull it to secure the yarn by making a chain. I already cut off my yarn, and I will remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work. And let's stop and look what I have done. So my project is ready. Each flower consists of 6 petals. It is very easy and quick to make project. You just need to know how to work with basic stitches such as slip stitches, chains, double crochet, and this flower has 1 round only. Thank you so much for watching, for all likes and comments under the videos. I always like to read them. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use these flowers. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorials. You can choose your favorite color of yarn for this project and your favorite crochet hook. You can use such flowers like a part of big projects such Irish or guipure laces, or it could be like separate motif. Also, you can combine them and create a large project. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!